Hey, what's up, Chris? Corey here. Real quick, I'm going to shoot over 3 free tips that you can actually apply to your website to help you gain more traffic and actually get on that first page and outrank your competition and grow your business. 3 things I'm actually going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. I like to be around 1,500, maybe 2,000 words on that first page, and just have enough content in there so you can actually layer in all those keywords. And those keywords are what people are actually searching for and how you're actually being found. Later, towards the end, I'll actually go over keywords and show you the volume of what people are actually searching for. But even these images, this all has content behind it. You got commercial cleaning. You can actually be a little bit more specific with those keywords. That's going to help with your rankings so you can actually draw in those leads. You can actually do this for commercial cleaning. You can do it for the staffing, but I already had commercial in it. But this is what you're going to see after you type in those keywords there. You got these Google guarantees here at the very top. A lot of people have been going away with those old school ads, which they got those at the bottom. They've just been really spammy. So these Google guarantees are supposed to help block out some of the spammy phone calls. Just another form of paid advertisement, really. They do get pretty pricey at the end of the day. I don't know if you're running ads. I'll see here in just a minute. But a lot of ads don't even go through because of ad blockers and whatnot. But underneath the ads, we have this little map pack. And this some people call it a GMB, Google My Business 3-pack, because of all the traffic only happens in the top 3 sections. But really, you can see all the different businesses. But to get to the very top in this listing here, this GMB listing, really you're going to be dealing with a lot of citations. And what citations are just online business directories like Facebook, LinkedIn, CityStar, Locals Best, the BBB. There's thousands of them out there. So ideally, what we'd want to do is go get those same citations from your top competitors. We obviously don't want to stop there. We want to go out and outrank them, of course. So I would do maybe 50 or even 100 times the amount of citations that they have. So when Google does all their algorithms, they got no reason to put you in the very top right here. Underneath that Google My Business listing, we got that organic traffic right here on that first page. And really to get your website there, it's going to be dealing with all that content, making sure that you're found for those keywords. But also what comes down to what's called a backlink. What a backlink is, it's a link from multiple different websites linking back to your website that's just really pushing power to it, so you can actually get on that first page of Google. Not all backlinks are actually created equal. If I take your URL and stick inside of Ahrefs, Ahrefs is just a tool, lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a site. So you got one referring domain, 4 backlinks coming from that. Looks like this is a newer site here. The PPC does look like you are running some ads. 2 organic keywords you're being found for. You're missing the organic traffic. Here's your keyword, smart staffing service, smart staffing. Let me show you one of your cleaning competitors here. I stuck them inside of Ahrefs as well. Here's all the different keywords, which we can actually go after staffing keywords as well. So you're not just limited just to the cleaning, by the way. But office cleaning service Los Angeles, there's 80 clicks a month right there. Commercial janitorial service companies, disinfectant services near me, 250 clicks. Janitorial service Los Angeles, 250 clicks. Los Angeles commercial cleaning, 20 clicks. Commercial cleaning service Los Angeles. But anyway, probably get the idea. Just coming in, finding all these keywords, and also making sure you're doing enough backlinks so you can actually get on that first page. And ideally, you should be seeing about 15 to 20% of the traffic come to your site, as long as you're doing everything properly and you're going after those keywords. But anyway, I'd love to put a custom game plan to help you out there. Or if you just want to apply these 3 free tips for yourself, that's fine. I'd love to look forward to chatting with you soon. Bye.